Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Kena and I am back with another video. So this hair is from a company called NaBeautyHair. I have their 18-inch straight wig. This wig is 250% density and it has the fake scalp. Yes. So since this wig has the fake scalp, I do not have to do the ball cap method because the fake scalp makes your wig look like it has a scalp. So I feel like that is so convenient. I did not have to do much at all to this wig. The only thing I'm going to do is straighten it out just a little bit, and yeah. So right here I'm just showing you guys the inside of the wig. As you guys can see, the fake scalp part, and this wig also comes with combs in it and also the adjustable straps. One thing that I like about this wig is how full it is. Like I said, it is 250% density, so it's not super thin, but it's not super bulky. So if you was to curl this wig, it's gonna look so beautiful, and yeah, I absolutely love it. But I just wanted to do straight because I'm always doing curls, so yeah, I just kept it simple in this video. So right here I'm just trying the wig on just to see how it looks, and y'all, do y'all see this? Like, this wig looks so good, and I love that this wig fits my head to the T. And one thing, I really don't have a low hairline, but a part of my hairline comes out a little bit further, and it's really hard for me to do wigs that like the hairline is kind of too straight, or it's kind of weird to explain, but this wig fitted my head like, you know, so good, and I was so happy. So right here I'm just using my Got2b glue gel, and I'm going to also use the spray. And I want to keep it really simple in this video because I knew I wasn't going to wear this wig for long. But this stuff right here, like this method, y'all, it works good also if you guys don't want to use the boho glue. So yeah, I know this is like a oldie but goodie. So yeah, you guys can do this if you don't want to do that extreme hold. So right here, I'm just taking my comb and I'm parting down the middle. I'm just trying to get it as straight as possible because y'all, doing a middle part is really a struggle because, you know, it's always like your part ain't in the middle. I don't know why. But yes, you also can see how the fake scalp looks, and y'all, this looks like my scalp. I didn't have to do anything, nothing at all, and I am really shook. Like, this looks amazing. So yeah, I'm really digging this, and this wig was so simple to put on and so easy, you know, to work with, and I absolutely love that. I did not get that much of shedding out of this hair either, and it flat ironed really good, so that is a plus. And NaBeautyHair, their shipping is super fast, so that's another plus that I absolutely love about this company. So yes, make sure you guys go check them out. All of the information will be in my description box below if you guys are interested, and also a coupon code. And they are doing a giveaway on their Instagram channel. Okay, not their Instagram channel, but their Instagram page. So if you have an Instagram, go check them out. I will have some of the information in my description box below, so make sure you guys go check that out so you guys can see what to do, because they are giving away wigs and all that type of stuff. So yes, hunty. So right here I'm adding some of my Bio Silk oil to my hair just to give me a nice little shine. And y'all, this video is a wrap. Oh yeah, I will also have this stuff listed in my description box below, the things that I use on my hair if you guys want to purchase it from Amazon. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys all. Give this video a thumbs up for more, and also leave me a comment below, share, and yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. And go check out NaBeautyHair, okay? And get this bomb wig. See you guys in the next one. Bye.